Yeah, good evening. Good evening, all. I hope so. You have started submitting your assignments, and I guess it was easy. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start the session.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start the session. So meanwhile, you can review the concepts, whatever we have seen earlier. Okay, we'll wait 1 more minute. By 7:05, we'll start the session because only 34 have joined so far. Okay, it is 7:05. Okay, it is 7:05. Let's start our class. So last class we have seen about traversal and we have seen about how to do the traversal in your assignment, and it was given as your homework using while loop and a for loop. Moving on, today let's learn more about how to do the traversal. Okay, we have seen already about the iteration like this. I'll show you. We have seen about the string methods, and then we have seen about the iteration for counting the digits, counting the alphabet, and counting the uppercase and lowercase. Okay, let's learn today how to do the same iteration program for counting uppercase and lowercase one. Okay, so let's create a file. Don't forget, I want the answers to be given in the written format. Written format in the sense you should submit the assignment question in the written format. I mean, handwritten format. So date 12, uppercase, lowercase. So how to count the uppercase and the lowercase. So that is what the next program we are about to see. Okay. To do the uppercase and lowercase, let's take a string. Maybe you can consider as a name. Let's take a string first, like this. Like this. Okay. Now we are going to count the uppercase and the lowercase. So what we do, we take upper, that is u case, equal to 0, and then we change this as l case. L case means lowercase. Initially I don't know the number of uppercase present in the variable c. Maybe I can change this value. Now we do the iteration. To do the iteration, we need the size. How do we get the size? With the help of len. What is the len? Len of the string, that is value. I'm going to take the len of string, that is value. After that, I'm going to check whether it is uppercase or not. So how do I check it? Similarly, we use is upper. So C of I dot is upper, C of I dot is lower. And what I have to change? I have to increment the uppercase. So the variable is u case and is equal to u case plus 1. If it is lower case, I should increment the lower case, that is L case is equal to L case plus 1. And in the output, number of uppercase in value is number of uppercase. Okay, U case. Same. Number of lower case, same program. I don't make any big changes. I'm just modifying the value wherever it is required, is equal to L case. That's all. When I run the code, you can see the, oh, C of I. I need to change this value. Okay, now you see here, I get number of uppercase here is 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is U and E 7. Lowercase I have got 6. Now let me recorrect it. Only this one. I run now and you can find out the uppercase is only 3, lowercase is only 2. This is how you can calculate the uppercase and the lowercase. Yes, Irfan? Okay, so this is how you can calculate the uppercase and lowercase. And next, moving on, how to count the special characters. Okay, the next one, how to count the special characters. So that is a bit challenging one. To count the special characters, that must be first clear in the basic understanding. How what I try to say here is, you must know what is a special character. So what is a special character? Can you answer in chat box? I have a question for you all. What is a special character in Python? So I'll give you 2 minutes time. Time is now 7:12. I'm expecting the answers by 7:14. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Type your answers. What is special character? in Python. Come on, make it fast. It's already 7:13. What is a special character? Type in the chat box, please. Okay, it's time to check the answers. A special character. I get very less response. It's okay. Special character. What is meant by special character in Python? Correct. Other than alphabet and digit. Yes, other than alphabet and digit. Yeah, neither an alphabet nor a number. Yes, it is an example backslash. This is called escape sequence. It is not a special character. Maybe. Yes, it is not belong to a digit or a number or an alphabet. Yeah, I got all the correct answers from everyone. Any non-alphanumeric character. This is what exactly I would like to share with you. So how to find out the special character? Okay, there is a simple trick in this. So we know very well this is a character. Okay, so if I check for is alnum, what is this? It says true because A is an alphabet. Now let me check for 1. Why it says true? Because it is a number. So S alnum will give the output true. When it gives the output, suppose if the given string is alphabet or number. If it is alphabet or number, then it gives the output true because it belongs to a string, especially it is an alphabet or a number. That is why it gives true. Now special character. What is special character? It is not. Yeah, I got the answer. Non-alphanumeric character. So how do I find out the special character? With help of non-alphanumeric character. Say like this example. Dot is alnum. You see here it gives false because it is a special character. Now it is false because it is a special character. Now this is false, it is a special character. So how do I get the special characters separately? Not, okay, not, please note it down, not the particular character dot is alnum. So what is this? This is a special character. So what output I am expecting from the computer? I am expecting true from the computer. Yes, it's true. Why it is true? Because listen the code properly. It is not, okay, not alphabet or number. If it is not alphabet or number, then it is considered as a special character. That is how this method is implemented and counted. Please note it down. Now, let us write a program to count the special character. receive as to count a special character. So what I do, exactly same thing. Let me add some special characters. Instead of this U case, I change to um, special character, that is S character, or special equal to 0. Special equal to 0. And then what I do, I get the value. Instead of this, what I do, I only do count the special character. So what I do, the number of special characters is equal to, simple, is equal to special. That's all. But what I need to change here, I need to change the special. You remember, instead of using special is equal to special plus 1, in Python, I can use the shorthand assignment operators. That is, I'll show you here. That is, if I consider a is equal to 5, okay, how do I add a plus 5? I will add a plus 5. Now, how do I update the value with the help of 5 incremented? So a is equal to, that is value of a is going to be incremented with the 5, and then the new value will be of updating a value with the 5 values. So the output is 10. Suppose if it is small one, it is okay. Suppose imagine I have a big number, example, number of alphabet. See, I have a very big variable name. Do you think it is easy for me to type every time? Do you think it is possible for me to type is equal to number of alphabet character plus 1? You see how big is this? Certain times what I can do, I can use the shorthand operator. Example, a value is 10. How do I write usually? A is equal to a plus 5. So the output will be 15. Instead of this, I will write in simple way. Example, a is equal to 10. Now how do I update a? A plus equal to 10. You understand now? Now what happened? A value is 20. Now once again, how did we use already? A equals A plus 10. So now what happened? Value is 30. Have you understood how it has happened? Instead of writing A is equal to A plus 10, this is the old one. You see, instead of the old methodology, this is the old methodology. A equals A plus 10. But now what happened? This can be written as this one, the smallest one, the smallest, easiest way. Instead of giving the very big variable name, I can give in short name. That is, I'll share in the chat box. A is equal to A plus 10 can be written as A equal to, sorry, A plus equal to 10. This is the easiest way to write the representation of the numbers. Please note it down. See what happened if you are writing a equals a plus 10. If you feel it is lengthier one, we can go with the easier short one, that is a plus is equal to 10. I am showing some examples here. So how I can update here, instead of special is equal to special plus 1, I can write in better way. How do I write? Special plus equal to 1. That's all. You see how small is this? Special is equal to special plus 1 is a lengthy one. I guess you can see on my screen. Lengthy one. So what I do? I change into special plus equal to 1. Now, what is the condition to find out the special character? Not value of I dot is alnum. Okay, if not value of I is alnum. So how it works? Let me give an example. A at B C 6 7. Okay, let's take this as an example. At BC 6 7. Now what it does? First it will take the first character. What is the first character? At. Now what it is doing? At dot is alum. Is it true or false? Kindly answer in the chat box, please. At dot is alum. Is it true or false? Kindly answer in chat box. I'll give you a minute time. Time is now 7:25. I will check the answers in 7:26. Please start typing your answers. If you have computers, you can try it out. At dot is alnum. So what is the output for this part? At dot is alnum. Okay, 7:26 now. Let me check the answers. Okay, false, false, false. Yes, it is correct. False, 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 false. Yes, correct. Because it is a special character. Now what happened? This will evaluate to false. After evaluating this to false, I'm going to not. What is not? Opposite. Suppose if you get it true, that will change to false. I'll show the example here. You can see here. Not true. Sorry. Not true. See, false. Not false, then it is true. It will change the opposite side. So what we are doing, if it is not value of I dot is alnum, first it will do this work. If it is not alphabet or number, then it is special character. This will automatically revert into that. So that is the work of this particular part of code. Now let me run the code. Number of alphabet characters not defined. Okay, I don't want this because it was shared as an example. You see here, I have only one special character, that is at the rate. Now let me remove it. I get the output. Number of special characters is equal to 0 because I do not have any special character in my program. Now, somebody asked about n. Let me run now. You see here, number of special character is equal to only 1. So, this is how it works to count the special character. Now, I want to write the program to count the special character using while loop is your today's homework. How to count the special characters using while loop. That is your today's homework. How to count the special characters using while loop. Once again, I would like to give your assignment as a simple instruction for everyone. The instruction is very simple, that your program should be handwritten. That's the very first important point I would like to share with you. The point is, it must be handwritten. Handwritten means you should write in your hands. Okay, and then you have to upload that into the submission portal. That's the very first expectation, because that is going to help you with the proper understanding of the code. So your homework, how to count the special characters using while loop. Okay, next we are moving to the next part, slicing. Slicing is also one of the important concepts. I guess you have noted it down. If not, I'll give you time. Time is now 7:30. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Kindly have a copy of this in your note, please. It's going to be 7:31. Make it fast. Oh, it's already 7:31. Yeah, 1 more minute. Go. Copy that. Along with that, write down the today's assessment question. How to count the special characters using while loop. Monday, you will have a test. Okay. So get ready for the test. It was true if there is not before the value. See, actually, I'll explain you once again. No problem, Chandrika. So first, if you take a dot salnum, then what it says, it is true. Why it is true? Because the character A is alphabet. Suppose if I take any number, then that is also giving true because that is a number. Suppose if I do not, okay, then it will invert. It will invert the true to false. But what I need now, I need only for the special characters. As we know already, it is not alphabet and a digit. So what I do, not, okay, it is not alphabet or digit, then it is considered as is alnum. So see here, it is false. If I give any special character here, then obviously that will give the answer true. Why? Because the given topic is not an alphabet, it is also not a number. That is why it gives the output true. That's what I have explained here so far. So Monday you will have an assessment, I mean the test. So kindly get ready for the test with the topics we have covered so far. Okay. And one more topic for the test is going to be conducted, concluded now. That is called slicing. slicing. Okay, that's what the next topic we are going to get it now. What do you know by slicing? Kindly answer here. So what is slicing in general? What is slicing in general? Yes, you can answer in chat box. What is slicing in general? It's okay, you can give a try. Okay, I got an answer. Cutting into parts. Okay, that's correct. Okay, cutting into pieces. Just give a try. Slicing.
హలో.
Hello.
వీడియో రావట్లేదు సార్, వీడియో కట్టింగ్.
Yeah, I'm asking a question. I want to answer in chat box.
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, please. Cutting into parts, dividing into some parts. Okay. So you have got an idea. So what is a string? So string means cutting into parts. Okay, that is exactly correct. What you have shared is so far, that is exactly correct. Cutting into parts, dividing, etc. Let me take a string, okay, orange. So we know very well how to take only one part. Example, I want to take G. I want to get the output G from orange. How do you get it? Can you share in the chat box? How do I get the output? Only G from orange. Write the Python code to get G from orange. Let me take B equal to orange. Example, if I store B equals orange, I want to get G from this. How do I get it? Please type in your chat box. How to take only G from chat box. Sorry, G from orange. Okay, I want everyone to answer. I'll give you one more minute. Yeah, time is now 7:37. I'll give you one more minute. Let me check the answers by 7:38. Okay, few seconds more. Have to extract G from orange. I want everyone to answer. Please try it out. Okay, let me check the answers. Okay, B of 4 minus 2. Okay, okay. Yeah, almost everyone is correct. But don't forget, you have to mention as Python code. Okay, how do you mention this? Yeah, you are answered very correctly. There is no doubt in that. You should give like b of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So b of 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give b of 4, then it will give the output. Okay. With help of, this is called indexing. Okay. What have we done is called indexing. Example, b of 4 is called indexing. This is called indexing. So what is the problem with indexing? In indexing, you can access only one element at a time. Only one element from a sequence. Only one element from a sequence. Slicing means you can access more than one element from a sequence. That's the difference. Slicing means you can take more than one element from a sequence. Let me take, if I want to take three letters, that is RAN. Okay, if I want to take three letters from this, I will use slicing. Example, same variable name, square bracket. You must know the indexing values. So I know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so what I want to extract RAN. Okay, I want to extract RAN. So I will mention the index as first starting index, that is 1 colon, okay, 1 colon 4. You can ask a question, we want only n, why am I writing 4? Because it will eliminate the last index. It will eliminate the last index. If you give 1 is to 4, then the output is RAN. Those who have computers, please try it out. Others, I'll show the example. Let's take the same variable, b equals orange. Now what I want RAN. So what I do? 1 colon 4. So 1 colon 4. See here, I got the output RAN. Okay, now it's a question time. I want to get AN from the orange. Only AN. How do I get it? Please type in the chat box. I guess you understand now. I want to get the output AN. I want the output AN from orange. How do I take it? Please type in the chat box. Extract AN. Time is now 7:42. I'll give you 2 minutes time. By 7:44, I'll be reviewing your answers. It is 7:43. One more minute to go. Still, I'm expecting more answers. It's already 7:44. Around 80 members are in this group. Answer everyone, please. Okay, I guess I can check it now. Okay, 45 members have replied. I'm so happy to see that. Around 61 members, 45 have answered. Okay, yeah, the correct answer is B, square bracket of 2 colon 4. Yes, see, the square bracket is to be used. Please consider. Don't use the variable name because I use the variable B equals. See here, B equals. So you should use the same variable. Okay. Now, okay. Now let me ask you a challenging question. Let me see how many of you can answer. Uh, See, I get A equals red. Okay. A equals red. I get B equals uh, pine, apple without space. Okay. See, A equals red, B equals pineapple. Now I want to get the output red apple. Yes, write the program for this. Write a Python program to get the output red apple. I guess you understand the question. I have variable A equals red. It is a string. Variable B equals pineapple. Okay. But what I want as output is red apple. I mean, I want this everything and I want only apple from this. Or okay, if you feel it's difficult one, I want to take only apple. Ignore the ignore this red apple. I want only apple from pineapple. How do you get it? Please do it. You get me right? I change the question. I want to get only apple from pineapple. That is my question. How to take apple from pineapple? I'll give you 2 minutes time. By 7:49, I'll be checking your answers. 1 minute time. Okay, 7:49. I want to take only apple from pineapple. Okay, I get three answers. but actually it's a good try. Okay, whoever have tried has a really good attempt. Kindly mute yourself, please. I don't know who is. Please mute yourself. Actually, what happened if you try to take the last letters? Example, let me take C equals pineapple. Okay, if you try to take C of uh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 colon 0, then it will give 0 output. It won't give anything. So what you have to do, you have to specify the last value. However, if you specify -1, maybe you can think in this way, that will not include the last value. So that is what the first point I would like to discuss with you. If you try to specify the last value, then the last value will not be included. So how do we avoid the situation? If you don't know the last value, but if you want to extract till the last value to the end of this, you have only one option. You should not mention the last ending value. Like example, I want to get till apple. So what I do, I will use C of 4 colon empty. This is the only way. If I do this empty, what happen? It will take till the end. This is the only way. Note it down, please. If I want to take till the end, I should leave as empty. Okay, let me give one more question. Let's try this. Cake is equals blueberry. Now, I want output only berry. Try this out. I want to get output only berry. Berry. Cake is equal to blueberry. Write a Python code to get the output berry. This you can try now. So it is 7:52. Everyone can answer. A part of answer is on the screen. I want to extract the part of a sequence, that is berry, which is inside a variable cake. Okay, it's 7:53. Once again, I'll share the question. I want to get the output only berry. Let me see how many of you have answered. Okay, cake of 4 colon empty. Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. Everybody has answered perfectly. Now, the same question. See, I have A is equal to red, B equals apple. I need to get the output red apple. Yeah, tell me, how do I do it? It's a challenging question. I want to get the output red apple because A equals red, B equals pineapple. But what I want to get the output that is red apple. That is a part of a string from variable 1 and a part of string from a variable 2. Okay, let me check the answers. Unexpected. I get correct answers. Whoever answered so far is the correct answer. Even this is also correct, but this is not correct. You should use separately. We should use concatenation operator. Yeah, it is correct. Yeah, this is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Yeah, all these are correct answers. But don't give the quotation mark. And one more thing. Okay, I would like to add you one more thing. Okay, let's take A equals red. Okay, example. Okay, A plus cake of 4 colon, that's all. I get the new one, red berry. Now if you want to get once again one more value, I can add plus a, so red berry red, whatever. If you want to have 10 times, example, red berry red, what I can do, a into 2 plus cake, see here, red berry. So if you know the basics, you can play around with. If you know the basics, you can play around with the help of so many better examples in your Python programming. So what I suggest you here, all the basic things whatever you have learned is for your basic understanding. So it's highly recommended to practice the sessions, because only a few members, around 10 to 20 members, are interacting with me and following the questions and answering in the chat box. But I would like to insist, every one of you are here for a purpose, that is your internship program. If you want to successfully complete the internship program, you have to be dedicated in all the kinds of participation in the internship programs, because once you are very thorough with the basics, then only you can understand the purpose and the application of the program. So all the very best for your today's assignment. The assignment is how to count the special characters using while loop. That is your assignment today. How to count the special characters using while loop. And also you have test on Monday. So the Monday test is super simple. As usual, we will upload the question paper. You have to hand return the question, I mean the answers, and submit to the given link. Please do remember that only the handwritten copies are accepted. Do not write as do not give the screenshots. So all the very best. Have a nice sleep. Good luck all. We'll meet on Monday then. So you have weekend. So happy weekend also. Enjoy your Sunday. Let's meet Monday with a question paper. So all the very best participants. Good night everyone. You may leave now. Thank you all. Good night participants. You may leave now. Thank you all. Yeah, no need to post a thank you sir. Good night sir. Just leave. No problem. You may leave now. No formalities. Happy weekend. Thank you all. You may leave now.